Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 21st of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Which state has launched Vatsalya Yojana for orphaned children? Reserve Bank of India has permitted the cash withdrawal of how much rupees per transaction from various online wallets from ATM and point of sale terminals. Narendra Batra has been re-elected as the president of which sports organization? Over 3 lakh women were provided assistance under One Stop Center scheme so far. The scheme is being implemented by which minister? Indian government, UNICEF and Yuva has launched which campaign to engage youth in fight against COVID-19? SBRIS GEO-5 missile warning satellite was recently launched by United Nations Launch Alliance by using which rocket? Cyclone Tauktae is likely to hit India. The name has been given by which country? Malarkotla will be the 23rd district of which state? The residential project Rivali Park built under Swahim scheme is located in which city? Which state has launched Mahatari Dular Yojana recently? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So which state has launched Vatsalya Yojana? It is Uttarakhand. Reserve Bank of India has permitted cash withdrawal of 2000 rupees 2000 per transaction from various online wallets from ATM. Narendra Batra has been re-elected as the president of International Hockey Federation. So, which ministry has implemented this one-stop center scheme? This is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Who is she? Smriti Irani. Government of India, UNICEF and Yuva, and together they have launched hashtag Young Warrior. So, who has launched this rocket? They are asking the missile. It is Atlas V. Cyclone Tauktae. This name is given by Myanmar. Malarkotla is the 23rd district of Punjab. The residential project Reville Park scheme is located in Mumbai. It is based in Mumbai. Mahatari Dular Yojana, Chhattisgarh. So these were the quiz questions. Let's discuss our today's current affairs. Dr. S. Janaki Raman has been appointed as India's ambassador to which country? So this is Cuba. So Cuba's next ambassador is S. Janaki Raman. And what is the capital of Cuba? Havana is the capital of Cuba. Let me tell you some of the ambassadors ambassador of India to various countries. You should remember Sanjeev Kohli. He is India's ambassador to Serbia. And B. Sham. He is India's ambassador to Iceland. And Pradeep Kumar Yadav. He is India's ambassador to Liberia. Alok Ranjan Jha. Alok Ranjan Jha. He is India's ambassador to Belarus. And Rajesh Vaishnav. He is India's ambassador to Morocco. And Sangeeta Bahadur. She is India's ambassador to Malta. And you should remember Ajit Vinayak Gupte. He is India's ambassador to Egypt. You should remember Pooja Kapoor. Pooja Kapoor is India's ambassador to Denmark. Bhutan. Ruchira Kamboj. And one more, recently appointed VK Paul. He is India's ambassador to Somalia. So remember all these things. And Myanmar also. Saurabh Kumar, Myanmar. Saurabh Kumar is India's ambassador to Myanmar. So remember all these, India's ambassador to various countries. Which social media company has launched an initiative called Report It, Don't Share It? This is Facebook. So Facebook has launched this initiative, Report It, but don't share it. What is India's rank in Global Peace Index 2021? Global Peace Index, India's rank is, and remember it is a 15th edition, and India's rank is 135. One more, which country has topped? Iceland country has topped in this index, and India's rank is 135. Who has won the prestigious United Nations Land for Life Award 2021 for his conservation concept, the Familia Forestry. So this is Shyam Sundar Jani. Shyam Sundar Jani has won the prestigious United Nations Land for Life Award 2021. If I ask you, who is India's permanent ambassador to United Nations? T.S. Tirumurti. His name is T.S. Tirumurti. Which ministry has launched the helpline number 155260 and reporting platform for preventing financial loss due to cyber fraud? So this has been done by Ministry of Home Affairs Minister Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah has launched this helpline number called 155260 and reporting platform for providing financial losses due to this cyber fraud. Which organization has granted in principle approval to Centrium Financial Services Limited to set up small finance bank over Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. So this is Reserve Bank of India. So RBI has granted in principle approval to Centrium Financial Services for this Punjab and Maharashtra bank as a small finance bank. When do we observe National Reading Day? So this day is observed on 19th of June. So 19th of June we observe as National Reading Day. Punjab government has launched which mobile app for putting the sports department and all the sports person on digital platform? So it is Khedo Punjab. So Khedo Punjab mobile app has been launched by the Punjab government for sports department. And regarding Punjab, who is the chief minister? Amarendra Singh. And who is the governor? VP Singh Badnore. VP Singh Badnore. And remember something about Punjab. Malarkotla has become the 23rd district of Punjab, and recently they have launched a Rabta Muhim campaign. Rabta Muhim campaign and COVID Fateh program, Ashirwad scheme. This is a Shagun scheme. They have updated to Ashirwad scheme. Earlier they used to give 21,000 and now they are giving 51,000 for the beneficiaries. And remember, Sonu Sood is from Punjab and he has been appointed as the brand ambassador for vaccine campaign for the COVID-19 vaccines. And remember, Punjab Sona and Punjab Kesari and Punjab Kesar. These are the varieties of tomato. Remember this. These are the varieties of tomato. And Punjab has got a loan from World Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank worth of $300 million. $300 million. And don't forget Punjab National Bank. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. So remember all these things about Punjab. What is the rank of Reserve Bank of India in terms of reserve transferred to government as a percentage of gross domestic product for the financial year 2021? So Reserve Bank of India rank is 2. Second rank, Reserve Bank of India has secured second rank in this index. Government has appointed Ashish Chandorkar as counselor in India's permanent mission in the World Trade Organization. For how many years? So it's for 3 years. So this is for 3 years. Government has appointed Ashish Chandorkar as the counselor of India's permanent mission to World Trade Organization. And where is the headquarters of World Trade Organization? Headquarters? It's in Geneva. OnePlus has appointed whom as its brand ambassador for wearable category. So this is Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah has been appointed as the brand ambassador for OnePlus wearable OnePlus, and he is a cricket player from Gujarat state. Jasprit Bumrah. Name the Indian American chemist who has won European Investor Award 2021 in the non-EPO countries. What is this EPO? This is European Patent Office. And its headquarters is in Germany. So this itself an important question. Its headquarters is in Germany and there are 38 countries in this. And we are talking about Sumitra Mitra. So Sumitra Mitra has been appointed as Indian American chemist, has won the European Investor Award in non-EPO countries. So remember, European Patent Office, which is based in Germany, and there are 38 countries in this. Who has sworn in as the new chief prosecutor to International Criminal Court? So this is Karim Khan. So Karim Khan has sworn in as the new chief prosecutor of International Criminal Court. Which ministry has launched 14 cross disability early intervention center across the country? So this is Ministry of Social Justice Empowerment Minister Thawarchand Gehlot. Thawarchand Gehlot has launched this 14 cross disability early investors. So these were the current affairs of 21st of June. See you on 22nd of June.